In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the region in your Apple Wallet with ease. This process is handy when you're relocating or want to access region-specific content. Without further ado, let's dive right into it. First, grab your iPhone and navigate to the Settings app. The Settings app is represented by a gear icon and is usually found on your home screen. Once you're there, the next step is to tap on your name at the top of the screen. This will take you to your Apple ID settings, which is where you'll primarily work from today. You'll notice this section displays your personal information, so it's crucial to handle these steps carefully to ensure everything remains secure. In this Apple ID settings screen, look for the option labelled Media and Purchases, which is typically found a bit lower down the list. This section manages your media related settings, including your Apple Wallet. Once you spot it, tap on it to proceed. Next, tap on View Account. This prompt may require you to authenticate your identity. You can do this by entering your Apple ID password, or if your device supports it, using Face ID. Ensuring that you successfully authenticate is essential for protecting your personal information, so keep your credentials close at hand. After you've authenticated your account, you'll see a range of settings related to your Apple ID. Look for the country region option and give it a tap. Now select Change Country or Region. It's an important step since this is where you'll choose your new preferred region, such as the United States, the UK, or any other location feasible to your requirements. At this juncture, you'll need to thoroughly read and agree to the terms and conditions of the new region. They're essential for understanding any changes or limits regarding media and purchases in that specific location. After reading through everything, tap Agree. The final step involves entering a valid payment method and billing address for the new country or region. Since country-specific payment methods are required, having a suitable payment method ready is vital to successfully completing this process. Double check all this information before submitting to confirm it's correct and valid. And there you have it, a simple, thorough process to change the region in your Apple Wallet. Remember to ensure all your details are entered accurately, and you'll have no trouble accessing the services and content you need in your new region. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tech tips and updates.